how do we solve for x here? So we have 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x equals to 100. Solution. So 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x equals to 100. Now, when we have same basis here, okay, good, we can add the powers. So x plus x is 2x. So this side is the same as 5 to the power 2x equals to 100. So don't forget we are after x. Let's take log on both sides. So that will be log 5 raised to that equals to log 100. This one is a power rule which will come behind here. That will be 2x log 5 equals to log 100. Let's divide both sides by log 5. That will be 2x equals to log 100 on log 5. As we keep this one left. And next step will be 2x equals to. So let's change this one. Log 5 times 20. So 5 times 20 is 100 on log 5. So this one is a product. Log t plus log y is same as log ty product. So 2x equals to log 5 plus log 20 on log 5. So we can split this one. That will log 5 to log 5 plus log 20 on log 5. 2x equals to log 5 on log 5 plus log 20 on log 20. Oh, sorry, log 5. Okay. So that will be 2x equals to 1 plus log 20 on log 5. Now we can go again. So 2x 1 plus, so 20 will be 5 4. 5 times 4 is 20 over log 5. So we still have product 2x equals to 1 plus log 5 plus log 4 on log 5. Yes, so 2x equals to 1 plus log 5 on log 5 plus log 4 on log 5. So this side will cancel. 2x equals to 1 plus 1 plus log 4 on log 5. So we have 2 here. 2x equals 2 plus log 4 on log 5. Okay, so let's apply change of base here. So 2x equals 2 plus, now when we have log m on log t, same as log m to base t. So this side will be log 4 to base 5. Okay, I can go ahead and divide both sides by 2. So that will be x equals to 2 plus log 4 to base 5 on 2. So that's the same as 2 over 2 plus log 4 to base 5 on 2. Now, can we change this one? So we have 4 here. Can make it 2 squared. So x equals to 1 plus log 2 squared. Okay, that's that. And we have x equals to 1 plus, so 2 on 2. So that will be x equals to 1 plus log 2 to base 5. That's the answer. Okay, so let's try if we can recall. We were given 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x equals to 100, which is the same as 5 to the power 2x equals to 100. So 5 to the power 2. Now let's do substitution here and see. So 1 plus log to base 5. We have this one. So the same as 5 to the power 2 times log 2 to base 5. Okay, this one will be 5 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 2 log that. So this side is 25, and this side, this one will come behind here. That will be, so we have 25 times, so this side will be 4 to base 5. So remember the property this that we have 4, so 25 times 4, which is 100. All right, hence proved. All right, so the correct answer is 1 plus x is 1 plus log 2 to base 5. All right, so subscribe for more.